Well, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Welcome back. And if you missed the first video, please go back and take a look at it. If you go to my channel, click on videos, you'll see it's this one right here, video number 1. So let's jump back in about what we're talking about. So in this training series, I'm talking about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. And in the first video, we just did an overview of the process, which this is the process. It's a simple affiliate marketing funnel that we are going to go through, and I'm going to show you how to how exactly to set that up. And basically all we're going to be doing is sending traffic, primarily free traffic, although you can do paid traffic if you want, to an email opt-in page. We want to capture that email because that is how we're going to continue to have automated email messages go out to those subscribers, and hopefully they will make a purchase. After they opt in, we'll also show them either a low-cost tripwire offer, which they may purchase, and then the ultimate affiliate product that we're promoting here, and then that'll be promoted through the follow-up email series, either as the only product, or you may promote multiple products through these email series. And so this is the very simple yet effective affiliate marketing funnel that we are going to be creating. And so in today's video, we are talking about how to choose a niche and an offer or offers to promote. So the first thing is, if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, you want to be able to select a niche. Now, a niche essentially is an area of focus. So for example, you may, well, let's just talk about niches in general. So a niche is an area of focus, and there's what are called evergreen niches, and evergreen niches are those because they're pretty much always going to be popular. Okay, and then there are other niches that are almost more of a fad, you might say. They kind of come and go. So kind of evergreen niches that are always popular, those are like the make money online niche, weight loss, dating, things like that. Okay, those are always popular. People are always looking for that kind of information. Everybody wants to make more money, right? Everybody wants to make money online. That's what we're talking about, right? Affiliate marketing, how to make money online. People always want to lose weight or get healthier. So something from the health and fitness niche, or weight loss, dating, self-improvement. Those are what are considered evergreen type niches. And then there are things that might be more focused. So especially if you get into like a technology niche, technology, can have some evergreen component to it, in that, people are always looking for the latest technology, but that also kind of what makes it a little bit of not an evergreen niche, because technology changes so much, right? And so you might be promoting a product that is popular for a while, but you've got to constantly be changing, where sometimes in these evergreen niches that isn't always the case. And so I just did a quick Google search, best niches for affiliate marketing, and if you go down, you can see, now I don't know if these are in any specific order necessarily, but here's health and wellness, again, that's evergreen. Education, here's the technology, fashion, travel, finance. Here's an article, 15 best niches for affiliate marketing, 115 best niches so you can go out there and look at different niches that are recommended. But for the purpose of this video, let me go back. What we are going to do is we are going to focus on the evergreen niche of make money online. That's a niche I've always had an interest in, because I want to make extra money. I think you want to make extra money, which is why you're watching this video. And there's lots of people around the world that want to make money. I mean, there are literally, if not tens of millions, hundreds of millions, and I would even propose billions. The population of the world is around 7 billion people, and I suspect probably almost all of those, if not 100%, want to be able to make more money. Everybody wants to do it, obviously, working from home. They want to do it without spending a lot of money. They want to do it, to get the freedom to travel and spend time with their family. So make money online is a super popular evergreen niche, and I would almost dare to say it's probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest, evergreen niche online. So I do want to quickly talk about what some people worry about is the concept of saturation. I hear this all the time from people. They say, "Oh, but isn't that saturated? Isn't everybody already doing that?" And I would say, maybe. I shouldn't say maybe. I should say, yes, there are a lot of people that are actively working in the make money online niche. There's no doubt about that. Okay, that's just a fact. But I don't see personally. I don't believe in saturation because there are always people coming and going. Okay, so for example, as people age through life, you get out of school. Maybe you go to college. You start working. You start a family. There are people that are always looking to make more money. They're looking to do that in their 20s, in their 30s, in their 50s. There's, unfortunately, because of the way the economic situation is right now in many countries, there are people that should be retired and technically are retired, but they're having to look for more ways to make money. And that's why this Make Money Online niche, it covers all age groups, all age ranges, people around the world, and no matter where you live, you want to make more money. Everybody wants to make more money, okay? And everyone's attracted, by the way, to make money online. Not just make money. We can all go out and get a job, get a second job, but we want to make money where we can work from home and we can have the flexibility and the freedom to, again, spend more time with our family, travel, etc., as well as obviously pay off bills and get out of debt. So personally, I don't believe in saturation. A common question again I get is, what's the hot niche right now that no one's in? Okay, well, I hate to break it to you, but if no one's in it, that means there's probably very little interest in it, and therefore there's going to be very little opportunity to make money. So if you're in a very popular evergreen niche, like the Make Money Online niche, yeah, there's going to be more people that you're competing with, but there's also going to be a much larger pool of people that are interested, that want to spend money, that want to learn, that want to buy products, okay? So anyway, I hope that makes sense. So yeah, saturation, I don't believe in it. I don't think it's a thing. I think it's something that, unfortunately, people kind of let themselves get, maybe believe that it is a real thing, and therefore it holds them back. Don't let that hold you back from jumping into a niche. So for the rest of this video series, what I'm going to be using is the Make Money Online niche, okay? And so that's the niche we're going to focus on as we go through this training series. So the second part of this is how do you find an offer or offers to promote in your niche. So if you're working in other niches, then there are, sites, Amazon obviously is a huge, they have their own affiliate program. Now, unfortunately, the commissions Amazon pays are very low, 1, 2, 3% maybe. There are you can go to ShareASale, and they offer lots of different products and lots of different niches. So this can be a good option. CJ, which used to be called Commission Junction, same thing, lots of different products, lots of different niches. Some of these are harder to get accepted to. ClickBank is a very common one that has products in multiple niches. They do have lots of Make Money Online products, and so I do promote a lot of products off of ClickBank. The nice thing about ClickBank is once you're accepted into ClickBank, then you're basically automatically approved to promote all those products on ClickBank. Now that is true also of Amazon, but some others like ShareASale or CJ or some of these other affiliate programs, you actually have to get approved for each product on that affiliate platform that you want to promote. Not the case with ClickBank. It's very rare you have to actually get approved to promote a product. Now, in the Make Money Online niche, there's some big affiliate platforms that are commonly used for these type of products. ClickBank is one of them. JVZoo is a second. Warrior Plus is another. Digistore24 is another. And then there's this calendar, if you go to muncheye.com, because part of what happens in the Make Money Online niche is people are constantly creating new products. Those could be training products, software products, things like that. And they have launch specials. And so when they bring that product to market, They really promote it. Other affiliates in the Make Money Online space promote it as well for several reasons. One, the commissions in the Make Money Online space are much larger. We talked about Amazon pays 1, 2, 3% depending on the product category. Others, I was looking at Casper mattresses earlier. They pay 6%, which they tout as a high commission percentage, which it is. But if you're getting into the Make Money Online space here, it's very common to earn 50%, 70%, even 100% commissions at times. The other thing I love about the Make Money Online space is you can earn some nice affiliate commissions promoting things that people need for an online business, such as domain names, hosting, page builders, email autoresponders, etc. And you can have some very nice commissions there. I use Aweber. That's what we're going to use for our email autoresponder as we get to this part, creating the opt-in page and the follow-up emails. And Aweber pays 40% commissions. So that's a really nice commission structure for recommending people use Aweber. So you can have some very nice commissions compared to other niches. Now, the main product that I'm promoting in my online business, and I do promote several, but one of the main ones I promote is called the Home Business Academy. And that's the product that I'm going to be using to show as we go through setting up our opt-in page and these follow-up emails, etc. So you can see and understand how we do this. So we'll get to this more as we go through the training series. But so basically what we talked about today, how to pick a niche, lots and lots of different niches. And some people let that overwhelm them. Don't let that stop you from getting started. Also, don't let, again, that false fear of saturation stop you either. If you're really interested in weight loss, maybe you've had success with the keto diet, and so you really want to promote the keto diet, there's lots of great products out there, and you can go ahead and jump in and have success with that. So don't let that stop you. Don't think you have to find the latest, greatest, whatever, socks or shoes or phone, smartphone to try to promote. I would definitely focus on an evergreen niche. And again, for this series, we're going to focus on the Make Money Online. And then I showed you how to find some ways to find products. The other simple way, to be honest, to find products, I was using the Casper mattress as an example, but if you go to Casper and Casper affiliate program in Google, and, boom, it'll come up, right? And so you go and you can apply. So if you're wanting to promote a specific product, that's how you can do it. You can just go to Google, type in the product name, followed by affiliate program, and then you'll usually find out if there is an affiliate program associated with that product. All right, so thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't to the channel, and we'll see you in our next video.